What I got here today is a brand new Cobra 25 LTD Classic. This radio's got the high power MOSFET conversion done to it. Let's go ahead and check it out on the old bird meter. So we got a 10 watt slug. It's going to be reading this bottom scale here. So that's 10 watts there. So we got 2 watts right here. Dead keying it now. Got right about 2 watts. So that's perfect if you're looking to run a linear amp. Let's go ahead and change this slug out. Go ahead and put in a, let's see here, 50 watt slug. So we got a 50 watt scale right here in the middle. So we got 30 watts right here, 35 watts right there. Let's see what this bad boy's doing. Radio check 1 2 3 4 5 audio check audio check 1 2 3 4 5 audio check 1 2 3 4 5 audio check audio check 1 2 3 4 5 audio check 1 2 3 4 5 audio check 1 2 3 4 5 audio check. So you can see it swinging 35 watts. Doing pretty good there. Well, there you have it, folks. This is a very good, clean, strong running radio. Thanks for watching.